5 different ways that we're going to use the drip stencil from the Ultimate GraffitiEyes stencil kit. Maybe this will spark some other cool ways for you guys to come up with ways of using the drip stencil. Like, where's the right brush? Here, I'll try this brush. I'm not making any promises, but I'd rather keep it authentic so you can see how my brain works. This one's looking a little bit spidery, but I'm just gonna send good vibes to it so that it draws me a nice line. Ready? Okay. Yay! That was a pretty cool video. Hey, I banged out 5 different kinds of ways of using the drip stencils from the Ultimate GraffitiEyes kit. Hook it up on Instagram. It's at GraffitiEyes. YouTube channel is the Tattooed Lady CA. That's GraffitiEyes. It's all GraffitiEyes. Just look up GraffitiEyes and you'll find it. Lots of videos.